Joining us this morning, Bear and Opportunity Fund Portfolio Manager Mike Lippert. Mike, congrats on the year so far. I guess I'm wondering how you're feeling about the tone and positioning. Do you feel like market is coming to you, or are you beginning to worry about things like valuation?
No, we don't worry about things like valuation in the short term. I mean, I think you said early on, what do people miss? What they miss, and the market does, is they underestimate the long-term earnings growth, revenue growth of these key new trends. And so if you look historically, no one thought that Apple would be where they are today, or Tesla would sell this many cars, or Google search would be as large as it is today. And that's what people miss. And so we're focusing on these long-term trends, and the trend of today, AI. We are just in the earliest of innings, and the first thing we've heard in the early inning is Nvidia telling us that they were going to do $11 billion of revenue when the market was expecting $7.
Yep, that's going to be the guidance that lives forever. I mean, historic. Although, we've talked last few days about the NDX rebalance, where those names became such a large part. I wonder, to the degree that are they becoming too large for your room size? And in that case, what do you migrate to?
No, we don't play those games. I mean, we're thinking of where these companies can be again in multiple years. And, the short-term movements around reconstitution of an index doesn't impact us at all. We're really trying to figure out how big the opportunity can be and which companies have the competitive advantages to realize the opportunities and take market share. And, all the ones that are listed here are the ones that we're very, very confident in.
You still think, Mike, Nvidia is being underestimated after its 215% run-up this year?
Yeah, could it tread water for a little bit? Sure. But when you look 5 or 10 years out, what's the biggest change going on in the computing and technology world today? It's the advent explosion of AI. Jensen Huang himself called it an iPhone moment. Remember when the iPhone first came out, 15 years ago, and look where we are today. And I think this is a platform change in the way we compute and the way people deal with corporate data, information, software will really change. And it will be led by AI.
But I guess I'm wondering if there are any other winners that you can spot beyond the big four that everybody knows are the big winners from AI. Isn't it about finding where that next leg of growth is going to come from, and where the next 200% move goes?
Yeah, you're exactly right. We have a whole portfolio. We own 40-something names, and AI, for example, cloud computing, big theme. But it's not only Nvidia, it's not only Microsoft. We own software companies like ServiceNow, Workday, several others. We own semiconductor companies like AMD, Marvell, Empower, and others. And so everyone wants to talk about the big names, but we play this in a portfolio way.